Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small TEMU order of some really larger paintings that I fell in love when I saw them. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So the two paintings I have, they're larger than some of the ones I've shown before. And I actually put them aside because I usually try, apologies, I'm picking up something that fell. I usually try not to show a whole bunch of large ones because usually I show more smaller ones. And so the first painting I want to show is this. And I fell in love when I first saw this image. I love snow, I love winter scenes and all of that, and that's why a lot of my landscapes, apologies, that I own have snow, mountains, winter scene, and all of that. So, ooh, this one's a little tougher to open. They really packed it into the bag. And this originally was from my last really large order, so it was the little bag I kept calling a grab bag. Anytime I would grab some diamonds to show, it was from this one. Apologies, that plastic really didn't want to come off. Excuse me. And let me just unfurl it real quick. Ooh, that is really, ooh, the canvas is really rough on this one. And your canvases always include the diamonds and your standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is the wax, the tray, and the pen. And all you would do is pour the diamonds into the tray, get the pen, press into the wax, press into the diamonds, and press on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if the tray is missing, or if it breaks, or it decides to rebel, and we can't find it, your next canvas will have one as well. Don't worry, they always have you covered. And these are the diamonds. So, ooh, I really like that light blue. As I said, this scene's more of a winter scene, so there's a lot of blues, a lot of grays. I love that dark teal that's here in the middle. I love these kind of really, really dark colors. As much as I love my pastels, I love my dark tones as well. I just love color. I really like it. And this is the painting. Apologies, it kept trying to furl up on me. As you can see why the painting has a lot of blue. It's the water, the snowy mountains, and the sky. And I'm going to roll it up a bit because if you all saw, it kept trying to curl up on me, and I'm trying to get it flat. So I can show you all the wonderful painting that I want to show. Ooh, this is so pretty. As I said, I saw the image on the website, and I fell in love with the mountains and the wonderful little lake that's reflecting it. I'm just fixing the plastic. It usually helps with the creases, and oh my goodness, that glue is no joke. Sometimes for the larger canvases, they're, well, I see it with some. I'm not sure if it's every time, but sometimes the glue is really, really strong, and it struggles a bit whenever you pick, when you pick up the plastic covering. I'm not too sure why. And it's not every painting, it's just some are a little bit more tough than others. Again, I'm not sure why. And apologies, I do apologize for all the crinkly noise. I'm just making sure it's a little straight. And as you can see, it's settling a bit. Oh, I really love this. As I said, it's the lake, the mountains. Sorry, that's not a mountain. The trees on the side, the mountains in the distance, and a mountain behind it, and the wonderful sky. Oh, I really, really love this painting. I need to finish more landscapes. Every time I see these, I remember, oh my goodness, I love these, and then I put them away. Stay tuned. This one I might kit up because I really am loving the whole winter scene, and since winter's coming up, it might be perfect to put it on my wall. And some information about the painting. It is DH-1032, and it's a 30 by 40, and it's 24 colors. And the legend from 1 through 8, it is in numerical order, so 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 9 to 24, they're all capitalized letters. Oh, thank goodness, no symbols. I love legends that way because it's a lot simpler, a lot of easy peasy, just boop boop, and that's it. You don't have to look for anything, just, whatever letter or number that you're working on in the color. I really am interested in kitting this one up. I need to have more side projects because I've been completing a lot smaller ones, but I wouldn't mind a large one on the side just so I can, pick at it every now and then when I'm working on my extra large paintings. And I do love that they have the legend both on the upper left and the lower right. I'm a big fan of that because I spin and move my canvases. So this makes it easier whenever I need to refer, oh, what color was that letter or symbol? That's how I locate it because it's real simple because the legend's here. And there's also a little thumbnail on the top corner of the image in case you ever want to compare, especially when you're painting. And there's a color that looks a little bit off. You can compare with the picture. That's how I do it when I paint. Oh my goodness, I really do like this painting. And just in case, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. Just in case, a nice little wintry mountainscape with your style as well. I'll put that aside real quick. And the canvas is really stiff. Well, not stiff. It's more rough, more stronger. So that's why when you saw me moving the painting, it stays pretty much when it was laying there. I'm not too sure why. Not all the canvases are like that. And it's just the second painting. I fell in love when I saw this. As much as I love winter, I love landscapes. I love winterscapes. Y'all know. I love flowers. So when I saw this one, I really, really loved the colors when I first saw it. Actually, this one, TEMU referred it to me, and I had to pick it up. It was just so pretty. So I'm giving props to TEMU. Thank you for your recommendations, because you've been showing me really, really nice canvases. And same thing, standard kit. Just a little bit fancier. It has a multi-placer of 3. That's what this one is. And some resealable bags, just in case you decide to save any leftover diamonds, or if this is your preferred way of kitting up when you're going to start painting. As I said, they always got you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, these are already all kitted up, meaning they're already all organized and good to go. And sorry, I keep seeing like a mark. And they're all in numerical order of the way they are on the legend. As you can see, the color. Ooh, that is a lot of orange. I love orange. I really like these colors. It's all over the place. I love that it's not a set of, okay, they're all blues. They're pretty much all over the place, and I love that. I love that red and that blue. It's so pretty. And that peach. You know what? I just love all the colors. I'm a big fan of that. Excuse me. And these are the diamonds. Sorry, these are the diamonds. This is the painting. And as well, it's just a bouquet of flowers with a wonderful peachy flower in the middle. I kind of forgot this had that flower. I believe there's a different flower, but I do like it. I love all of the colors of it. And that's why the diamonds, as we saw, has a whole kind of palette that's all over the place, because the flowers are in that style. Wow, I really love that peach. And that blue is so pretty. And this canvas as well is trying to curl up on me. I'm trying to see if I can straighten it a bit. I'm going to do the plastic thing again. Again, I apologize for crinkly noise. See how this one is not as tough as the other one when I was trying to lift it? The plastic does feel different though. And I can tell they're from 2 different sellers, and I'll explain how I can spot that. No, really, the plastic's really smooth and really, I don't know, nicer quality. I guess that's the way I could say it. That is really good whenever the plastic covering kind of feels that way, especially if you use the washi method, meaning you line section with washi and you cut off pieces that you're working on. Oh, this is really nice. I really like this. I really like the plastic. I'm not kidding. It's really smooth. That's why I keep doing that. Then I'm trying to see if I can get all of the creases out. And I'll probably do that. I usually, even with this size, I put them in a portfolio. So all the creases and everything kind of settle. So you'll see it disappear. And the reason I said I believe it's a different seller is the heading. So sometimes, as you saw the previous one, it looked real different than these. Usually different sellers have different ways that they manufacture the paintings. And that's why I've seen the headings different. But they still provide you the information of the painting. Oh, apologies for that, my neighbors. And ooh, I really do like this. Add some information of the painting. It is ZTM73 24 and is a 30 by 40 and is 25 colors. Ooh, I really like that. And the legend is from numbers 1 through 7. Oh, it's 7 this time. Numerical order, meaning is 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 8 to 25, they're all capitalized letters. Ooh, this one as well. It's a really nice legend. I really like that. Easy peasy, as I say. And same thing, their legend has a top left and a lower right. I love that a lot of canvases are including this. And it has 2 thumbnails. It has one on the top left and on the lower right. Love that as well. Oh my goodness, I really like this painting. I love all the flowers on it, and I love all the colors. Maybe this is the one I should get up. And it is, I'm trying to get into working on larger paintings, especially larger TEMU paintings. So I wouldn't mind having this one on the side. And it's so pretty, but it makes me think of spring. So I don't know if I should do it in the spring. Keep y'all posted on that. And just in case, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. So if a nice bouquet of flowers is their style as well. And that's all I wanted to show today. I've probably stated before, I'm a little limited on how many TEMU paintings I have. I do have a couple more, so don't worry. I'll still have a couple more TEMU videos coming up in the next couple of weeks. But I'm holding off on doing a really medium size, not large order, for TEMU paintings, because I have to kind of figure out, save up a bit. That's the wording I can put, so I can move forward on, because there are a lot of paintings I have been getting suggested by TEMU and that I've been seeing, and I'm really holding off because I know Black Friday sales are coming up. So, oh my goodness, too many decisions. But I'll keep you all posted. Don't worry about that. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.